Hey everyone, welcome to our last overview video for the year. Normally we would be dissecting a mammal in class, but obviously we can't do that, so I tried to do the best I could. You'll be watching some videos and observing the dissection that way instead of actually getting to do it, but it's the best that we can do right now. Alright, so let's go into our online distance learning folder. So you're going to go into the mammal dissection. Now, in class, we would have done a rabbit. That is kind of what we changed to. In the past, we've done a cat. So I actually had information for a cat. It was a makeup lab that I turned into a virtual lab for you. So all of the videos, you'll be seeing a cat, but the reason we do the mammal dissection is because humans are mammals, and we've learned mostly human systems, and the cat is very similar to that, and the rabbit is as well. So you will be seeing the cat in this, just a heads up. So the first thing that I have for you here is a mammal dissection question. So it's a Google Doc that looks like this, and it goes through 4 different parts. And so the first part is the external anatomy. I've embedded the link for you here. It's a YouTube video. Each video is anywhere from like 5 to 9 minutes long. If you get the questions done, you don't have to watch the entire thing. If you want to keep watching the entire thing, that's completely fine. Second part is the oral cavity. Here's the video for that. Third part is the muscles of the body. This is just an overview. There's obviously a lot of muscles, but we just don't have time to go over all of them. The video will go over where to find each of them, and they should mention the function. If they don't, you may have to go back and you may have to look at some of your other stuff. And that goes for functions for anything. You may have to go back and look at your notes. If you have a book with you, if you don't have the book, use the online book that I put on Schoology. So this is like the culminating project here. So, we're reviewing a lot of this stuff. And then part 4 is the thoracic and abdominal cavities. So they're going to be looking at the chest cavity, and then they'll be looking at the stomach for the digestive system, and then there's the link there. Again, when it talks about like the function and stuff, you might need to go back. If they don't say it specifically in the video, you might have to go back into your notes and look that up so that you can know the function. At the bottom is a bonus question. I always do this bonus question in class, so I figured I'd do it now. On the lab manual that I posted for you, and I'll show you that in a second, I want you to name as many cats as you can from the front cover. Feel free to look them up, obviously. Alright, going back. So here is a lab manual. There's a lot of information. I put it into a PDF so that it doesn't get all messed up when you open it on your iPads. I put it into 3 parts because the link is so big. So if you take a look, so here's the part 1. I won't open all of them for you, but this is what I mean by the pictures of the cats here. So for your bonus question, just label or not label, but list as many of them as you can. There's a bunch here. Some of them you'll know, some of them you might have to look up. And then it goes into comparing the cat to the human. So it's going to talk about different mammals, it's going to talk about cats in general, and then it's going to relate them to the human and kind of show you why we actually use the human for our mammal dissection. So there's 3 parts of that there. Again, the videos are embedded in the doc, and the doc is what you need to turn in. And if you have any questions, let me know. And make sure that you guys are getting anything else turned in. Wednesday is the deadline for that, and I know seniors, you guys are pretty much done after this week. Your grades are going to be due at the end of the week, so please make sure that you're getting anything turned in to me as soon as possible. See you later.